Alright guys, good luck. Thanks for getting in. Top 3 win Chinooks Harvey Keene from tonight, 7:54 p.m. We'll go live. We are live. 7:54 p.m. 7:54 p.m. Grab the list. And we will drop it into random. 25 entries. It's 25 spots at $3 a spot. Top 3 win. Alright, we're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 3, that's not high enough. We're going to roll 2 dice again, looking for 5 or higher. And we have a 7. We're going 7 times. Good luck. Here we go. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice is a 7. Next click, top 3 spots win. Good luck. And 7. Congrats to Shane, Robert, and Don. You guys are the winners. Get in touch with me, and I will get you your bobbleheads. We are done. 7:55 p.m. Go back. We will type done. We are done. 7:55 p.m. 7:55 p.m. Timestamp and the verification.